Now, Kishane Thompson and Janelle Smith were the winners of the 60 meters for men and women moments ago at the Gibson McCook Relays, now on at the National Stadium.
Quickly. Second position. Set off. Blake out quickly. Thompson goes hunting. Blake from Thompson to the line. Lapel. Close going. Close going on the inside there from. So 6.46. Who might have gotten it on the line? Thompson gets it. And we do get that sub 6:50. So 6.47 the official time. Set position and sent off. And now quickly is Lefania Williams. A brilliant start. Jodine Williams is also flying on the inside. Here comes Smith. 7.09. The first time. Who would have gotten it? My, that was such a close finish. Says Janelle Smith with that brilliant finish of hers, who gets it on the line, and she went hunting.
I don't know how she won that, Jermaine. She is never a great starter, but it's the worst starter I've ever seen from her on a track. And for her to come back at 60, we're not talking about 100, we're not talking about 200. She was left in the blocks, dead lost out of the blocks, and somehow powered her way through the field to snatch this win.